Welcome back, broskies and sisters, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another reaction video, bruh. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here we react to anything, bruh. We just want to laugh and catch fun and have a nice time. But if this is not your first time though, thank you for coming back and checking out these videos. I really do appreciate you, bruh. You fuck with me. You fuck with me. I love you, bruh. No homo. For real. And if you're a lady, I love you, bruh. I love you, sis. Anyways, bruh, we have a new video to react to. This is rapper funny moments, some rapper interview funny moments. So let's see if we can find some funny moments and laugh too. It's been a crazy weekend. I won't lie to you, bro. I'm kind of like not sick but sick because it's been a very crazy weekend. So I just want to laugh right now. So I hope I can find something that will make me laugh. So let's check out this video, bro. This is Nado Week. Nado Week.
Hey, how you feeling?
What's up?
Where you from?
Jacksonville.
People don't know. What do you do?
Rap.
Oh, you rap? That's
Yeah.
it. So I'm 22 years old. What advice you have for me at 22?
Yeah, I'm 20. Yeah,
Are you 20?
Yeah. I don't know. Chase your dream, whatever your dream is. Chase it. Not cuff the wrong. Don't trust these niggas. It depends what type of lifestyle you live in. You might be able to cuff the wrong hoe.
Bro, what the hell is he? What is he even saying, bro? Like, did you even understand what he was saying? 'Cause I did not understand what he was saying, bro. I don't know why people talk like that. It's crazy, but to each their own. I don't know how people talk, especially Lil Baby, bro. I hardly understand what that guy be saying, even in his music, bro. I don't even understand. Like, yeah, it's crazy. Yeah.
Is my mic on?
Your mic is on. Your mic is on.
Lyrical skills?
Your lyrical skills.
Lyrical skills.
Yes, your lyrical skills. We're gonna give you some lyrics of some of your songs, and we want to see if y'all can guess which ones we're talking about. Is that cool?
Okay.
Em, this is for you. You ready?
Yeah.
Now, shorty, she in the club. She dancing for dollars.
She got a thing for the Gucci, the Fendi, the Prada. I don't know what you heard about me.
Yeah.
PIMP.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next one's for 50. You gonna know this one. His arms are sweaty, knees weak.
Mom spaghetti.
You gonna lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go.
I got one. The last one. You ready, Em? You can't have it your way. How do you want it?
I take you to the candy shop. I'll lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot.
They know that song.
Hey, so where is the funny moment in the
Guess
video?
what's the backstory of lifestyle? That's the first day I got in the studio. That's the first day I met baby. The first day I met. The first day I met. The first day. No. It was the first day I met. Yes, it was.
Yo, my guy tweaking, bro. He's tweaking.
First day I met baby. He came to one of my shows in Miami. He was like, nephew, pull up on me at the studio. I got one I want you to hear. Rightfully so, I pull up to the studio. He hit spacebar. The rest is history, bro.
Hey, not gonna lie, bro. Lifestyle was a hit. It was a bop back in the day, bro. That was one of my favorite songs. That was the first time I first got introduced to like the Atlanta music, Atlanta rap scene, bro. And that my lifestyle, and again, what? What the fuck? It's in my lifestyle. Yeah, that was my song back there, bro. Yeah, it was fire.
I'll talk to him if I see him.
Yep.
But I guarantee you he see me. I didn't even know that, man. I just thought that sounded cool.
Kanye West be tripping, bro. I love Kanye West, bro.
5 best West Coast rappers. Ice Cube, Ice T, E40, Too Short, Snoop.
Whoa, wait. I posted too quick. This nigga said, you still a rapper? I posted too quick. I posted because I was like, he didn't mention Tupac. Like, you can't say top 5. Bruh, even like top 2, people always say people always say Tupac and Biggie, bruh. So like, how you gonna say top 5 or West Coast and you don't put Tupac in there?
Best West Coast rappers.
You tripping, bro.
Ice Cube, Ice T, E40, Too Short, Snoop Dogg.
You still a rapper?
You want to battle?
But hey, man, Snoop Dogg, why would you Snoop Dogg? Uncle Snoop? Come on now, bro, Uncle Snoop. You don't have Tupac in your top 5? That is crazy. I don't know anybody who don't have Tupac in their top 5, bro. Whether you're from the West, from whatever coast you're from, bro. I don't know anyone who don't have Tupac in their top 5. That is crazy to me, bro. Yeah, Snoop Dogg can be in the top 5, but Tupac gotta be in there, bro. You have to put Tupac in there. It's not complete if Tupac is not in there, bro. He had, if not the most influential hip hop artist of all time, I don't think there is anywhere in the world where you will go they don't know Tupac. Maybe right now in the current generation, but like the past generation, there was nowhere you will go to, and no one don't know who Tupac was, bro. And this wasn't even the time of streaming. This was like CD times. And come on now, bro. Don't do Tupac like that, Snoopy.
No weapon from against you.
I guess so.
You think so?
What?
Gunna, you know he just got arrested with the YSL boys. Everybody's taking a plea. Where I'm from, Stockton, you don't take no plea. If you take a plea, you a snitch. The only way you can get out of trouble is going to prison.
These niggas say where he's from. Bro, do you look like a gangster? Wait, where you from? Bro, where you from? No one knows where you're from, bro. Where I'm from, if you take a plea, you a snitch, bro. Are you talking like you're about that life? Chill out, bro.
Or getting out of it because you
It's
love your
not
mother
even
so
that.
much.
He be really have to defend himself, and that's is what it is.
No,
but
not.
But by the grace of God, what?
No, Blueface gave me the look
But
that he don't
Gunna
want me
not
to.
why we talking
No,
about
Blueface gave me the look. He don't want me to go down his arrest record. So I ain't here to set nobody up. So we off that. No more attempted murders. But look, for Gunna, when you see what's happening in Atlanta with all the recalls, Gunna took a plea. Wack has pretty much been
what the fuck, Wack? What you
the courts of the streets, and he's pretty much said that Gunna's a snitch. Do you think Gunna's a snitch?
Wack, what the say?
Bro, why is she talking in the middle of an interview, bro? She's just yapping. Why is you yapping, bro? Why is you yapping? You are in the middle of an interview, bro. Chill out. Why is you yapping? What is you yapping for, sis? But she look fine, but why is you yapping still?
Yeah, he dry snitch.
Dry snitching.
Yeah.
We don't got nothing to do with that.
True, she's smart.
So, like, are you single or what's up?
Am I single and ready to mingle?
Single and mingling.
I'm not looking for nobody. I'm not looking for nobody, but I am waiting on the right person to come to me. Yeah.
Okay.
Type shit.
Do you have any last words? Anything you'd like to share with Rolling Loud?
Yeah,
Words of encouragement, because you've been through a lot. You can take the mic.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna say this. Hey, listen, if you're watching this right now, I love you. I made a bunch of mistakes. I'm gonna make a bunch of new ones tomorrow, and if I'm fortunate, I learn from them. When you follow your heart, you always win. For those of you that don't know who I am, I'm Kevin Gates. I love you all, big old nigga.
Straight like that. She was waiting for that dick, bro. She was on him real bad. She wanted him so bad. I've seen that interview before, bro. She was into him so bad, but shout out to Kevin Gates, bro. I love that dude, bro. No homo, but damn. She was onto him bad. Any other person would have smashed.
If somebody asks you if you got a lighter and you only got a gun on you, what you gonna say?
No lighter.
What am I going to say? Somebody asked whether I have a lighter and I have a gun.
But you don't got no lighter.
I don't have a
So
lighter.
I would say I don't have a lighter.
No. So say I got that fire. Killed them, put down on two. Yeah, y'all better put down. Bro, you got your lighter?
Nope, I got that fire. I got that fire.
I got that fire.
I got that fire.
You like that?
That was a cool one.
Do you currently owe anyone?
I got that fire. I got that fire for real now.
Money.
Hell no. Well, I ain't gonna say that because I'm signed to a record label, bro. Dang, that's like owing money. I don't owe nobody in the street, shit.
He's being honest.
I'm being honest because even if I did, they weren't getting it, so I don't owe you.
Can I have $40,000?
To do what with?
I just want $40,000.
You like money a lot.
That's how girls be, bro. They just be asking for shit. Don't ask for shit, bro. Why you asking? Why you gotta ask for shit, bro? Just asking for shit. Ladies just be asking for shit, bro. I'm just playing. But
That's 'cause I don't
I learned
have
that from
any.
your last interview.
Yeah, well, I don't have any. I just think that you should give me $20,000.
I mean, I could,
I know you could.
but it was just at a bad example.
What? Because other people would ask you for
Yeah,
20,000.
every podcaster on the planet.
Okay, let's just say right now on the record, no, he's not going to be giving me any money. Okay, and then off the record, can you give me $20,000?
Under the table, like.
Yeah.
You really think I'm an under the table guy?
Yeah.
I'm not.
But please.
No.
10,000. No. How much money means nothing to you?
Bro, why is she asking for money on every podcast, bro? Why is she asking for money on every episode of our podcast? That's crazy. But I mean, right now her podcast is doing well for herself. Bobby Althoff, I hope that's how you say your name. Her podcast is doing well right now. I saw when she came to what is this dude's name? Funny Marco, and she gave him like what 40K. I'm not sure how much it was, but yeah, she's doing well now. But imagine how she just came like this and she just went up like this. That's crazy, bro. The internet is a very crazy place. People be blowing up on the internet, bro, unknowingly. They just be like, just like that, gone, out of here, rich as fuck. That's crazy, bro.
What's an amount that you can just hand out and you're just no biggie?
I don't know. I feel like I don't want to sound.
Oh my gosh, it's that much. Okay, whatever the number is, can you give it to me?
Sure.
You can.
Yeah.
They put a cap on his head, bro. They put a cap on Drake's head, bro. Drake, nah, you petty, bro. Drake is petty. Hey, first of all, with the rap beef that is going on right now, I just want to say it's crazy. Drake dropped his own rap beef. We don't react to music over here. We react to music on the other side, but I didn't react to it because there were like too many people reacting to it. So mine would just get flushed down anyway. So I didn't react to it. But nah, this track was crazy. Kendrick's verse was crazy. But yeah, J. Cole did, and he apologized. Like, what the fuck is that, bro? You feel me? But anyways, he's capping because he removed the flipping podcast. He removed the interview, bro. So you said you would give out whatever amount that was like no biggie for you, but then you ended up taking down the podcast. You're petty as fuck. Drake is a petty motherfucker, bro. Yeah, he's a good rapper, but he's petty as fuck.
Got it for you right now.
Cap.
She got angry when he said this.
You're saying that you wouldn't be with a single mother that's a millionaire?
It wouldn't be my first option, no.
No, you said a millionaire wouldn't want to be with a single mother that's a millionaire.
If he can go ahead and get a girl that doesn't have a child, he'll prefer that, yes. Because when a guy comes into a woman's relationship or a relationship with a woman and she has a child, he's going to be expected to take care of that child to a degree. You don't just get with that girl, you get with that girl and that child.
Yeah. What if you fall in love so much that you accept that child?
Okay, that's a chance.
And what's wrong with a child?
Well,
if you're a high value man, you can't take care of a child?
Because here's the thing, when you're a guy and you make money, you want to put and invest your money in your offspring.
Nah, listen, bro. I get your point, but at the end of the day, bro, people are different, bro. I get your point, but at the end of the day, bro, you just can't speak for yourself. Don't speak for everybody. I know guys right now who are dating single moms and they are having like a very solid relationship. It depends. At the end of the day, it depends on the individual, bro. It depends on what you have here. If you're smart, if you're book smart, if you're street smart, and you have a good heart, and you find someone of similar value to yourself, bro, you guys will be compatible. It don't matter if you got kids or not, bro. Cause it's just crazy. Like you guys in America, bro. Like I mean, we're not just in America right now. It's like everywhere in the world. You feel me? But it's turned from America though. Now it went like everywhere in the world. Like I'm tired of seeing podcasts about relationship, about men, about women. Can we just let that be? This is 2024, bro. I'm tired of it. everyone is different, bro. We are all different people. Everyone grew up differently. Everyone has had a different life experience. So you just can't say guys. We all do things. There are stupid guys, obviously. There are smart guys, and there are just guys who are like in the middle. You know, they are not here, they are not there, they are neither on both sides, they're just here. Same as women. You got stupid women, you got smart women, and you got women in the middle. You know, they are just here, they're not there. So don't just categorize, bro. Don't be like guys, women. Nah, bro. People are different, bro. Let people just live their life and make their own decisions, bro. We are all experiencing human experiences on Earth, bro.
Men typically want to take care of their own children. Now,
What if she's a millionaire and she helps?
If she's a millionaire, bro, I ain't saying no. Fuck that. I'm gonna be a stepdad right now. Oh God. Oh God, bro. Hey, my dad is calling me. Give me a minute. I'll be right back.
And built an empire with that man.
okay, well, even better. If you're a millionaire, you're gonna probably want a guy that's a millionaire too, right?
Exactly, but
Okay.
who said anything about a broke guy?
Yeah, but okay, good.
I gotta step out.
Okay.
But why is
All
she
right.
crying though? Why do some ladies? This is very manipulative, bro. I won't even lie to you, bro. This is manipulating as well. Like some of y'all think when you cry, you know, it will move a man or something. So some of you just cry for nothing. I don't get it, bro. I used to have this girl, bro. She would just like crying. I'd just be like, why is you crying? Like, what is you crying for, bro? I can't stand it. I'm not saying do not cry, but like cry with reason. Like cry with a meaningful reason. Don't just cry for nothing, bro. Like it's annoying.
Let's look at Chris.
Nah, it's not, but that ass is not even funny. Cause y'all don't know, like for real, it's not even funny.
All right, we'll take a brief.
Yeah, man.
So, no face tats.
Nah, I be joking around though. I be joking around with my people, with my girl, my manager. I'm like, I'm finna get a face tat. I'm finna get this. I'm not finna tap my face though. I'm the only rapper that don't got a face tat. So really, I'm like the rapper with the face tat. Yeah.
And a lot of cats who come from SoundCloud seem to have tats, face tats as well.
All types of. I don't want to start dropping that. Man, look.
If you came from SoundCloud,
I done seen some fucked up ass shit on some of y'all faces, man. I don't even want to say it, but it's some. Y'all need some better artists too, or something. Like y'all did that y'all damn selves.
Yeah, some of it looks like prison tats.
Some of it look like abstract art. You ask them what it is. Oh, this is so and so. You sure, gang?
Rest in peace, Juice. Juice sipping on juice.
Lil Boosie reaction to if his kids want to be a cop.
When I graduate high school, I'm going to become a cop.
What you think? Vlad, what you think? Get the fuck out of my face. Yeah, go lay down. You after high school, you must have went and smoked a fucking blunt. This after high school, you must have got high, motherfucker. Go lay your ass back down and come holler at me tomorrow when you sober. Cause you high right now. My kids know they can't be cops. Yeah, that's how they train.
I feel you.
Yeah, we just had a big thing in my hood. I had a big old motherfucking gathering in my hood. The cop, Big Head, he's a cop known big in Baton Rouge, you know what I'm saying? But he never fucked over me. Me and Big Head always, he done fucked over a lot of people, but he always let me ride, you heard?
Hey, bro, I have a question, bro. DJ Vlad, I think it's DJ Vlad. Is he DJ Vlad? Is he a DJ though? Because I think it's called DJ Vlad. I'm not sure if it's DJ Vlad, but I've never seen his face. I've never seen his face. I don't know how this man looks like, but I know he's like Caucasian. I don't know what this guy looks like, bro. And he might be a cop as well. He might be a policeman for some reason. I don't trust this Vlad, bro. I don't trust Vlad, bro. I don't trust him. I've never seen his face. And he's always interviewing rappers and always coming up with the most corniest and some fucked up shit to talk about, bro. He might be a cop or he might be an informant for some reason. I've never seen his face. I've never seen his face, bro. And it bothers me, this guy.
He one of the motherfuckers always let me ride, you know what I'm saying? But he saw my son out.
You want to get married in your 20s?
Yeah.
You think you could be monogamous though?
Yeah.
Do you know what monogamous mean, Kodak?
No.
I know, exactly.
He was being honest.
Can you be
He was
faithful to
being
one
honest.
woman all the way?
Yeah, I
Forever, just
could.
you and her.
Listen, the other night I fell asleep on the phone with a girl. I ain't do that since like middle school.
So that's your girl.
What was you saying to her?
We were just chopping it up. Like,
So
you
for,
like her?
for the first night ever, you talked to only one girl.
Yeah.
Is
For
that the
one? I hope so.
Hey, Kodak Black got everyone having to wear a ski mask, but that's crazy. He got them all wearing a ski mask. That's crazy, bro. Kodak Black, KTB.
Who's the greatest rapper of all time?
Greatest rapper of all time?
Greatest
rapper of all
Rest in
time.
peace, Takeoff.
For me personally, I can get the 3K, man. Kendrick Lamar. My man's Jay-Z is the greatest rapper right now, bro.
I'm gonna give it to Kendrick, man.
That wasn't even funny. That wasn't even like a funny.
Hey, bro, I just wanted you to know I'm a real nigga, but you wear 2X. I don't know what size them is. Draws. That phone can't even breathe. The phone can't get no reception. That nigga short so tight. That nigga finna put cricket out of business.
Yeah. Hey, that shit was tight though.
If you could say something to your 10-year-old self, what would it be?
What's up?
Can you do a quick commercial for Long Beach tour?
Vince Staples, bro. Oh my God, this guy, bro. He's one of the funniest rappers, bro. He don't even try to be funny. He's just naturally funny, bro. What would you say to your 10-year-old self? Man said, "What's up?" Vince Staples, bro. Damn.
If you could say something to your 10-year-old self, what would it be?
What's up?
Can you do a quick commercial for Long Beach tourism?
Hi, my name is Vince Staples, stay off of Anaheim and Artesia.
Best dish your mom cooks?
My mom can't cook.
Best late night food?
Whoa,
Sleep.
Favorite.
Whoa. Yo, bro, chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. I know you gotta be honest, but like, chill out, bro. Man just put his mom on blast. 4K. Damn. That's crazy.
A quick commercial for Long Beach tourism?
That's crazy.
Hi, my name is Vince Staples, stay off of Anaheim and Artesia.
Best dish your mom cooks?
My mom can't cook.
Best late night food?
Sleep.
Favorite hot sauce?
Anything that say Louisiana on the bottle.
Favorite thing to do outside?
Go inside.
Are you gonna start your third album?
Yo, why is this guy so funny, bro? Man said your favorite thing to do outside is go inside. Nah, this guy is crazy, bro. This man is crazy, bro.
Anything that say Louisiana on the bottle.
Favorite thing to do outside?
Go inside.
Are you gonna start your third album or master your chili recipe?
It's my business.
Grossest thing you've ever seen or smelled?
Where do y'all be at to like be having answers to these things?
Best barbershop in LA?
Ed House or Trey Bell House?
Most underrated attraction in Long Beach?
The county jail.
What are the digits of pi?
3.14. I went to the Math Olympics 4th through 8th grade. Don't fuck with me.
Do you think clouds are just God vaping?
No, I don't think that's real. God's not a person. If God is a thing, he would be like a thing that don't have a face. But people say God is a person because people have egos.
True.
So they want God to look like them. So he's a man in the sky. Like that makes any sense. God probably like a porcupine or like a tree or like a body of water.
I don't care.
I'm
never gonna vote.
Man, I want to see. Hey, bro. Hey, should we do a Vince Staples funny moment? Because I swear, bro, we're going to have loads of clips from Vince Staples just being funny, bro. Because that guy is funny, bro. That nigga is funny as hell, bro. But nah, people what they were saying though, I mean, I wouldn't say it's true because we don't know, no one knows obviously, but it makes sense. But I do know for sure, bro, God is not like a person in the sky, just like in the sky, bro. Nah, God cannot be like, you feel me? If anything, God gotta be like a consciousness, and you cannot see consciousness. You feel me? So God's gotta be like the consciousness that tells you, oh, this is bad, this is good. You cannot see consciousness. You just feel, think, and observe consciousness. You feel me? So that's what I think. I don't think God is like a man. If at all, if God should be like a person, bro, God would be like a woman, to be honest. Because if it's true a woman, we coming into this world, you feel me? But hey, that's by the way, anyways. I hope y'all enjoyed this one, bro. Vince Staples saved this clip. He that was the most funny clip of this funny rapper moment, bro. The rest were okay. But Vince Staples was really funny, bro. I like that. I like that dude, bro. We probably should do a Vince Staple funny moment. I know we will laugh, bro. Hey, that's crazy. But yeah, man, that's the video. I hope y'all enjoyed that one. If you haven't subscribed, I've been seeing most of y'all be watching these videos and not subscribe. But I like the fact that you're watching the video. But come on, now you gotta subscribe still. You feel me? But yeah, have a nice one. I hope you enjoy your day, your evening, your morning, whenever you're seeing this video. And I'll see you guys on the next video, bro. We out.